In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a text field to a document on Docusign. Whether you're new to Docusign or just need a quick refresher, this tutorial will guide you through the process step by step, making it easy to customize your documents with text fields. So, let's get started. First things first, open up your web browser and navigate to the Docusign website. Once you're there, you'll want to click on the Login button. If you haven't already logged in, you'll need to enter your credentials. Once you've logged in, you'll be directed to your Docusign homepage. This is where it all begins. Next, you're going to want to select a template that you'll be adding your text field to. Templates are incredibly useful as they save you time by providing a preset design that you can modify as needed. Once you've picked your desired template, you'll then need to add some details. This involves specifying who will be interacting with the document. Make sure that you add the necessary information accurately, as this will ensure your document is processed correctly and efficiently. After you've thoroughly filled in the required details, it's time to click on the Next button. This will guide you to the section where you can add fields to your document. Now here's the exciting part. You'll notice a variety of fields that you can add to your document, but for today's focus, we're looking for the text option. Clicking on text allows you to insert a text field into your document. You may be wondering why adding text fields is crucial. Well, text fields in documents are typically used for collecting more information from signers, such as job titles, comments, or any information that you deem necessary. Position the text field accurately in your document by dragging it to the preferred spot. You can resize it by adjusting the tabs on its corners if needed to fit the amount of text you expect to gather. Once the text field is placed correctly, you'll want to ensure it meets your needs. You can do this by clicking the text field, which will reveal a side menu. This menu is where you have options to customize the text field further. You can set properties like whether the field is required, set a validation rule to ensure the data entered is in the correct format, or even dictate the font size. So there you have it, you've successfully added a text field to your document in Docusign. By incorporating text fields into your documents, you create a more interactive and informative document collecting experience for all parties involved. Stretch your wings with Docusign, and soon you'll be a pro at tailoring your documents exactly to your needs. Happy signing.